The next phone is ideal for you if you're looking for digital detox, let's say a weekend phone. It's also the perfect device for anyone with accessibility needs. So if you're shopping for a phone, for example, for your parents, you should definitely take this into consideration. Ladies and gentlemen, we have reinvented the classic flip phone. The classic Nokia 2720 Flip is back, this time in 4G. We kept everything that you loved about the original. It's compact and tactile, but then we have transformed it with the power of AI and a smart OS. Now, when it comes to design, the first thing that you'll notice is that it comes with a big tactile keypad. So you can navigate the menu and press the key with confidence. On the outside, we have a 1.3-inch screen. So you can see notifications and who's calling you before you simply answer the call by flipping it open. Now on the inside, we have a huge 2.8-inch screen. And you can set the font size large. So if you have any visual challenges, you will be able to read the content on the display. The new Nokia 2720 comes with Google Assistant and all of the goodness that comes with the smart OS, including Facebook and WhatsApp. You can even create a hotspot and share your 4G connection. There's also another key feature to enhance your peace of mind. We've included a security key into the design. By pressing this key, the phone will automatically text and call 5 of the predefined contacts. So if anything unexpected happens, help is only 1 click away. Alternatively, you can simply configure the key to trigger Google Assistant. Your choice. The Nokia 2720 Flip has a battery life of 27 days. It comes in black and the on-trend gray. It will be available in a week's time at an average global retail price of just €89.